Yeah, so actually this is the fourth part. Fourth part is 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square is equals to 48pq square. So actually this is RHS this much and this much is LHS. So let's solve first LHS. Okay, so here LHS plus is given plus. So what? First identity. So let's write the first identity. First is a plus b square. I think so you guys have learned this property. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the first property. So actually here, so we have written the property. This property we are going to use. So let's solve it. So here a square and 4pq. So we have to write it as whole square 4pq whole square. Don't forget to write it as whole square. Then plus 2 into a into b. This a 4pq into b. B is this 3q. Okay. Then after that plus as it is b square. B square is this means 3q. This also in whole square. Then this property we are going to rub. Okay. So we have used this property. So now minus means second property. Second property I am writing here. A minus b whole square is square whole. Okay, whole square. Then a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the second property. I guess no, it's totally second one. Okay, so here minus. So after, if minus is there, after minus bracket is there, so signs will change. I am telling after again and again that after minus bracket is there, so sign will change. So you have to do in two method. Means first you have to write as it is in bracket, then you have to remove bracket, and then you have to change the sign. So I am just doing in one only. So means in one line only I am removing the bracket also and changing the sign also. So a square means 4pq square. Again I have to put it in brackets. These two whole square. Okay. Then minus as it is 2 into a into b. A is this 4pq into 3q. Then plus b square. Plus b is this. So 3q whole square. 3q whole square it should be now. Plus 3q. Now perfect. Okay. Now no need for this property too. Wait, one thing to do is we have to again change the sign. So here from here. So here minus is, so minus plus. So plus sign. So here minus is there. So minus plus minus. So it should be minus. So now let's solve it further. 4p whole square means 4 was a 16. Whole square means p square and q square also. P square and q square. Then plus as it is 2 4 is 8. 8 3 is 24. 24 p only one time. So p as it is. Q two times. So q square. Okay. So q square we have written. So next yeah, plus as it is. So 3q whole square. 3 3 is 9. Okay. So 9 and q square minus as it is 4p whole square. Again 4 4 is 16. 16 p square and q square. Okay, because it is in whole square. And plus as it is 2 4 is 8. 8 3 is 24. So 24 p is one time, so and q is two times. So q square. Okay. Then after that minus sign as it is. So 3 3 is 9. 9q square. Now we can solve it further. So let's do. So here 16 p square q square. Let's find p square q square, p square q square, p. Yeah, it's here. P square and q square, and it's here. We can wait. Plus 16 and minus 16. We can cut it down. Yeah, we can cut it down. Cut it down. Okay. After that, plus 24 p q square. P q square. P q square. P q square. Yeah, it's here. Plus 24 pq square and plus 24 pq square. We can add it. Okay. So where yeah, 24 plus 24, 4 4 8, 2 plus 2 4. So 48 pq square. This is LHS. Okay, this is LHS. 48 pq square. This one, this both, and plus 9 q square. Yeah, it's here. but here plus is and there minus, so we can cut plus 9q square and minus 9q square. So only LHS this much 48q square, and RHS we don't have to do it further, so 48 pq square and here 48 pq square. So both are same, means our answer is correct. So let's write the last statement. LHS is equals to RHS, okay, RHS, therefore hence proved. Okay, it is important to write, hence this is matching. Yeah, so we have completed fourth part also, but last is fifth part. So let's come to the fifth part. Yeah, so this is the fifth part. Fifth part is a minus b into a plus b minus c into b plus c minus a into c plus a is equals to a big egg 0. Okay, so it is, by looking it's very complicated. Okay, so let's solve it, but it is not that much complicated. Okay, so here what we have to do, yeah, so minus and plus. So in here minus and plus, here also minus plus. First we will solve this much, then plus sign is here, so then here also minus plus, and then plus this much, here minus plus. So in between plus is there. Okay, so which identity we are going to use? Third identity. Okay, third. So third is which identity? Which? Third is a minus b. Wait. A plus b into a minus b is equals to, wait, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this is a property which we are going to use in this part. So here a minus b into a plus b, so a square, this a is this, means again only as it is a square, then minus as it is, and b square. B is this, in b only b is there, so we can write it as b square. Okay, then we have done this, only this much part we have to do, not that much. Then plus as it is, plus sign, then this b minus c, then a square. A square means this is why it represents a square, because it is in the position of a. A square means this, means b square we have to write, then minus as it is, then b square. B is this, means this is c, so c square. Then we have this much, only this, then plus as it is, then c, wait, here also minus and plus, so a square. A square means this a, wait, this a square means a, c square, a square, then minus b square. B is this is in the place of b, so a square. This is of LHS. So now this property is of no use. So let's sort it out. Means minus it should be, I think so, a little bit upper. So let's the answer for this should come 0. So a square. Let's find a square. This is plus a square. Yeah, it's here. But here plus is there, means nothing is there, means plus. Here minus, so we can cut it. Okay. Then b square. This is plus. Minus b square and plus b square. Minus and plus, so we can again cut it down. Minus c square. Yeah, it's here. Minus c square and plus c. We can cut down this also, because minus plus minus. C minus c, 0. Okay. So fill this big 0. Okay. Big 0. So actually I'm not writing this much big egg like. If you write this one, so your marks will also become like this. So it's 0. So you have to write this is LHS and that is RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, means our answer is correct. So we have to write, therefore, this sign means therefore. Okay, therefore, hence proved. So actually this fifth is the last part of this. So actually fifth last part. So last part also we have completed. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find any doubts in my video, so you can comment down, and if you find any mistakes, so you can also write in the comment section. It is always open for you. So let's come to the question number 6.